welcome to Emma's Tonight Show. Today I have interviewed my good friends Joachim and Christian, who was a part of the Tunnel 57. You guys must have used a lot of muscles when you were digging the tunnel. How long did it take to reach the other side?
It took 6 months and it was all the time worth it.
You were a lot of people who helped digging the tunnel. I think I heard you were about 25 people that helped. When did you start digging the tunnel and why did you choose to be a part of it?
I started digging a tunnel on April 10, 1964 because I wanted to help our friends and families escape to the west.
Okay, you helped a lot of people to west. How many people got through the tunnel on October 3rd, 1964, the first escape day?
We helped 28 people through the tunnel that day, 6 men, 20 women and 2 children.
I know that you had a girlfriend called Christia and have heard that he's been imprisoned. Why did your girlfriend Christia go to prison and what happened after she got out?
She was held in a Stasi prison for attempting to escape. When we got back together, we decided to get married.
Was it on purpose you killed the Nazi soldier and was it your shot that killed him?
It was definitely not on purpose that I shot him. I got scared when I saw his gun and I fired my gun at him. And yes, it was me that killed him. I feel so sorry and I wish that I hadn't shot him, but I got scared and I feel very sorry for his family.
I heard that your girlfriend just had come out of prison the first day the tunnel was open. How did you inform your girlfriend about the tunnel and why didn't you inform her earlier?
I gave her a teddy bear which she gave me one time and I knew she would know immediately. I didn't inform her earlier because I thought she was in the prison, but the same day that we opened the tunnel I received a letter from her and she was released from the prison.
Thanks for watching, see you next time!